Hello, day 3 after the accident. This is Thursday the 17th. Using honey on the wound to help heal it, this chainsaw injury. Here's both arms for comparison. I still have quite a bit of swelling in it. It's still oozing quite a bit. But I've been using the honey all day. Just kind of grabbing a little bit of my honey out of here. Just stick my finger in and dabbing it just on the cut, kind of at the top and then all throughout, and then it kind of runs down in. But I've just been doing that every couple hours or so. There's the wound with the honey I'm using. Okay, day 3, Thursday the 17th September.